Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term pathetic fallacy. Introduction. The term pathetic fallacy was coined by John Ruskin in 1856 as a means to describe a literary technique in which inanimate natural objects are attributed with human emotions, sensations and capabilities. However, Ruskin viewed the use of this technique as derogatory and claimed that it distorts the true appearances of things. He believed that only the greatest poets could validly employ the pathetic fallacy at rare moments when powerful emotions demand humanization of perceived facts. This video will critically examine Ruskin's concept of the pathetic fallacy, its application in poetry, and its relevance in contemporary literary analysis. John Ruskin's concept of pathetic fallacy. John Ruskin's idea of the pathetic fallacy revolved around the notion of truth in art. He argued that ascribing human attributes to nature was a form of falsification because it distorted the objective reality of natural phenomena. Ruskin believed that true art should accurately depict the world as it appears to us, without being influenced by emotional states or imaginative fancies. He used examples like personification of the spendthrift crocus and the dancing one red leaf in Coleridge's Christabel to illustrate how the pathetic fallacy creates beautiful but untrue and morbid representations of nature. Evaluating Ruskin's viewpoint. While Ruskin's emphasis on truth in art is commendable, his strict denunciation of the pathetic fallacy as universally false seems overly restrictive. Many poets, including Shakespeare, have employed this literary technique to evoke emotions, intensify imagery, and create a deeper connection between the reader and nature. The pathetic fallacy can be seen as a powerful tool to express the impact of human emotions on our perception of the world around us. In this sense, it enriches poetry by allowing a more profound exploration of the human experience. The validity of pathetic fallacy. Contrary to Ruskin's contention, the pathetic fallacy can be considered a legitimate poetic device when used judiciously. Great poets have demonstrated its effectiveness in conveying complex emotions and deepening the thematic content of their works. It becomes a valid tool in the hands of skilled writers, especially during moments when the intensity of feelings would naturally cause humans to perceive their environment through an emotional lens. Contemporary understanding of the pathetic fallacy. In modern literary analysis, the concept of the pathetic fallacy has evolved. Rather than being seen as a derogatory term, it is now regarded as a neutral descriptor of common phenomenon in descriptive poetry. Poets use it to indirectly infuse emotions into the natural world, enhancing the sensory experience for readers without necessarily distorting the reality of the observed objects. Conclusion. John Ruskin's concept of the pathetic fallacy sparked considerable debate in literary circles. While his emphasis on truth in art is commendable, his absolute rejection of this literary technique appears overly restrictive. The pathetic fallacy, when employed with care and purpose, enriches poetry and offers a deeper exploration of human emotions in relation to the natural world. Contemporary literary analysis recognizes the role of pathetic fallacy as a valuable descriptive tool rather than a morbid distortion of reality. So this was the discussion on the term pathetic fallacy. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.